Hello everyone and dear children, welcome back to Teaching and Learning channel. Dear parents, do you want to surprise your curious kids with some magic science experiments? Then today I am here with 3 simple home science experiments about the refraction of light. First, we will see what are the materials we require to know about these refraction of light magic science experiments. We need 2 white papers, 1 drinking glass, 1 pencil, 2 marker pens and water. Procedure for step 1. Take a sheet of white paper and draw 2 arrows on it. Make the arrows point in the same direction. 1 arrow near the top and 1 arrow near the bottom. Both look parallel to each other. Procedure for step 2. Stick this white paper to a cardboard and place it vertically with a support. Let us take a drinking glass and place it in front of these 2 arrows. And watch the 2 arrows through this glass. What do you observe through the glass? What is the direction of the 2 arrows? Are they in the same direction or in the different direction? Yes, you are right. Both the arrows will be in the same direction. Procedure for step 3. Watch carefully through the glass and fill the glass with water up to the height of down arrow. Now look through the glass of water and watch carefully what happens to the down arrow. Does the arrow appears to change its direction? Yes, you are right. Now the arrow has changed its direction. Do you know why the arrow appears to change its direction? Let us find out the answer. How does this experiment work? The scientific concept that is at work in this experiment is called refraction of light. Refraction of light is the bending of light. Refraction occurs when light travels from one medium to another medium. Here in this experiment, the light is traveling from air to water and water to air. During the experiment, the light traveled from the image through the air, then through the glass cup into the water, and finally out of the glass cup and into the air once more before it reached our eyes. The light refracts or bends through the different media because of its different speeds in different media. Light travels fastest through the air, a little slower through the water, and even slower through the glass. That means the light bends once when it travels through the glass cup into the water, and then it bends again when it travels out of the glass cup and into the air. The light reaching our eye coming from the arrow is refracted through the glass of water. In fact, the glass of water acts like a convex lens. Convex lenses bend light to a focal point. This is the point at which the light from an object crosses. That is the reason the left arrow will appear as right and the right arrow will appear as left through the glass of water. Procedure for step 4. Now let us pour water up to the brim of the glass and watch carefully what happens to the top arrow. Does the top arrow change its direction? Yes, that's right. Both the top and the bottom arrows, which points towards the left, now will appear as right when you watch carefully through the glass of water. Let us see the applications of refraction of light in our daily life. Let us take the glass of water and place a pencil inside this water. How does the pencil appears? Yes, the pencil appears to be bent at the surface of the water, or the pencil appears to be broken at the air-water interface. That means the light refracts or bends at the air-water interface. That's why the pencil appears to be bent at the air-water interface or surface. In nature, a rainbow is formed because of the refraction of light through the droplet of water. The formation of Whipsy colors is because of the refraction of white light through the prism. Mirror image of a word through the glass of water is also because of the refraction of light. These are some magic science experiments of refraction of light. I hope children will try and enjoy these experiments. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching this video.